hi.
Hi, join ko.
Ano to? Rabis.
Drag week 1.
1, 2, 3. Wonder. 1, 2, 3, go. Wonder!
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday. I have an 8 a.m. class. My only class today. I'm already getting ready. Last week kasi hindi pumasok yung prof namin dito sa subject na to. So sana ngayon pumasok na siya, no? Yesterday, I vlogged. Pero wala talaga sa plan ko mag-vlog. Sayang naman yung hard work nila, diba? So, vlog na natin. That's one of their biggest events. Since wala nga sa plan ko mag-vlog yesterday, hindi ko na natuloy. Anyway, magre-ready na muna ako guys because it's already 7 a.m. I'll just update you habang nasa campus na ako. And if pumasok yung prof ko. Okay, see you! Hello! So at the second thought, hindi na pala ako magmamadali kasi nag-message na yung prof namin. Sabi niya, please wait for me until 8:30. And their class starts at 8. That is so unslay. Actually, prof ko din to last academic year. I'm really not surprised to say they haven't changed. Saktong 8 na ako aalis kasi 8:30 pa naman siya. So magkukwento na lang ako about yesterday and why I was on campus on a holiday. So COA has an event that runs the entire week. It's called COA Rec Week. It's an event where students can apply for different orgs. Wala akong org. Like, umalis na ako sa org ko since last year. I might participate and join one org. I'm not sure. I was really on campus just to withdraw kasi yung bank dito sa labas closed kasi they're renovating it. Nakita ko si Brian, nandun siya sa Red Brick Road and he's sitting there alone. Parang nalungkot naman ako. Edi sinamahan ko na siya. Tapos after nun, nahila na ako everywhere, guys. So tumulong na lang ako, diba? I think their event's really gonna be successful. Thanks to the project heads, Cheska and Brian. I'm so proud of you guys. It's already 8, so I'm gonna go, guys. I'll see you on campus. Currently in JSEC and actually kasama ko na si JP kakatapos na ng class niya. But I've been here for almost an hour. After my class, kumain na ako agad and then I started reading kasi I have this reading, a 23-page reading na I have to finish as soon as possible. Kasi ang dami ko pang readings and I have a quiz tomorrow and on Thursday and next Monday. I've been reading this for like 30 minutes and I've been spacing out. Probably because I haven't had coffee. But I'm gonna try to finish this without coffee. So, kaya natin. Wala na, hindi ko na kinaya. Bumili na ako ng kape. Say ka muna sa vlog.
Sobrang stress na kami.
Mga nababaon sa deadlines bilang.
Daming deadlines. Alam mo ba, sabi ni Doc Benny kanina, apparently first sem junior year yung pinaka-mahirap.
Huh?
Like in general.
Pagod na siya.
Oh, it's the vlog! It's the vlog!
Can you picture us?
Audio is a bit better, so update ko lang kayo. Today is actually Thursday. Classes got suspended yesterday kasi super lakas ng ulan. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi I really worked the entire day. Kasama ko si Lebray, but you know, we were all work and no play. So anyway, my class starts at 9:30 and it's already 9:45. Okay lang to. So sweaty. Anyway, wish me luck guys. Sana hindi ako napili for the reporting. Tapos na yung class ko. And my next class is at 2 p.m. Everyone.
Babantay kami ng booth.
Kayo sa booth na.
Kaya nga, ang ganda naman.
Ayoko.
Mag-shoutout.
No! Char! Pwede naman. Ano yung shoutout mo? Join Celadon! Si Johnny Depp. We're going to recruit to Dula Sleep. Let's hope and pray to God na masarap siya. Jana. Ako yun. Punta na kami sa class namin na bawal yung gadgets. So, see you after class. Kailangan namin i-memorize yung seating arrangement. Hi guys, tapos na ang class ko. Like, all my classes are done. I have a lot of backlogs. So, I need to finish as many readings as I can. Anyway, tuloy lang ako. Ayan, say hi to the vlog. Hello, join ko. Perfect! Sa'yo yan rar napili milagro. Hi guys, late na naman ako. So I'll see you at school. I'm gonna power walk. I promise next week hindi na ako malilate. Hi guys, naabutan ko pa yung prof ko doon. And bumawi na lang ako sa recit. I did like 5 recitations. Pagkapasok ko, nag-recite na ako. Masaya naman siya sa mga sagot ko, so okay na. Nakabawi na ako, guys. Hindi po kami nagagala. Nasa campus kami. Nakatapos lang ng class, thank God. So, I've been working since I got here. So, kakain mo na. As you can see, lumipat ako. I am currently in Mateo Hub. Ang init na sa Jason. Tapos lahat ata ng stalls doon, may papatugtog na. Lahat sila may sariling DJ. So, hindi ako makapag-focus. Alam mo pinagbago, mainit na rin. But the noise is tolerable. So, start working na kasi meron akong quiz on Monday that covers 5 readings. Then, I haven't done anything yet. Guys, so I'm going kila JP. Then pupunta na kami sa COA org room kasi tinatawag na kami. Hi! Oh, mag-promote na kayo. Hi, hello. Ano, outfit ng family. Free ice cream, guys. We're here in service to COA. We're helping them.
Yes,
And
we
nandito
are
kami.
logistics for today.
The event starts at 6. Umuulan. Sana tumila na kasi nandito na yung itchy worms. Kanina pa kami naglolokohan. Sorry, ngayon lang ako nag-update. It is currently 6:35. Natapos yung engagement around 4:30. Tapos nakabalik kaming campus. 5 na. We're having dinner. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna call na later. Hey guys, good morning. This is the next day. Pagka-uwi ko, I just took a shower. And then, I immediately, as in, binuklat ko yung laptop ko and I started reading. I had to like memorize, hindi memorize, like familiarize myself with all of the concepts, which is very difficult kasi yung isang subject is philosophy and the other is a major subject, international relations. I just finished eating my lunch. Ngayon, I'm gonna start studying. Actually, no. I will rest muna, guys, kasi as you can see, I look like crap. Hi, guys. Good evening. It's already past 9 p.m. But di pa ako tapos mag-review. Kanina pa ako naghihintay ng suspension kasi may bagyo and madadaanan yung Metro Manila. Namely, specifically, Quezon City. So, bakit? Hindi na ako maghihintay, mag-aaral na ako kasi I'm pretty sure hindi magsususpend to. I'm halfway done dun sa major subject ko, but what if mag-pray na lang ako? Char, tatapusin ko to lahat. Seriously. Hindi pwedeng hindi. This is probably the last time I'm gonna speak to the camera. So, I'll see you next week. Or like, talk to you next week. So, start na ako mag-aral because tomorrow is a long day. And I hope magsuspend si Mayor.